in like 45 minutes, and I'm not gonna lie, this has been an absolute nightmare. Don't mind my hair, it's just fucking wild right now. So today, haven't done much yet. I had plans to get this all done today, but I woke up with a killer headache, and I've just been not feeling the best today. But the goal of today is just, we're gonna get the Street Outcasts window banner off, just to kind of get things going here. Well, it's not going exactly how I thought it was gonna go. I was hoping it was just gonna be like vinyl and just pull up in one go, basically, but it's probably because it's so crusty and old and dried out now that why it's giving me so many issues, actually. So yeah, we're gonna keep tagging along this. I'm probably just gonna finish this off camera because I thought it was gonna be a cool cinematic piece to look at, but that was wrong. So after I just got home from work and I just started attacking the vinyl today, but after another day, we finally got it off. There's a tiny bit of residue and everything in there, but that's finally off. I would have had a much better time doing that if it was like out in the hot sun or something like that, but it was a pain in the ass just from it being dried out and old and kind of not cold but not warm, so it just came off in shitty chunks. I'm gonna tackle the rest of this either tonight or tomorrow morning. In theory, it should be not bad. It has been ceramic coated over, which I don't think should make a difference, but I guess we'll find out.
Day 2.
Good afternoon. It's today's gonna be kind of a bittersweet video. Today we're getting rid of my due for an overhaul livery on the Evo 10. I've actually been wanting to do this for a hot minute. Last year, once the clutch started slipping, I kind of lost the motivation to do it. But this time, we're gonna get it done because I might get another one done this year, or I might just have it just clean slate, just fresh on white. We'll figure it out when the time comes to it. So luckily, the only thing we're gonna need for tools is just a heat gun, and your fingernails, and that's basically it. Hopefully, I'm gonna say this now, I hope it doesn't take too bad. Like, I just did the windshield banner like last weekend, and it was kind of a nightmare. I'll put a couple clips of that right now. But seeing how this is on paint, and it should be easier, I hope. So let's get into it. We also have a new addition to the channel. Where'd she go? This is Miss Ivy. She won't let me touch her every time in the garage because every time she does get in the garage, I'm trying to get her out. Here. Yeah, see, there she goes. But yeah, new cat, shop cat, house cat. In like 45 minutes, and I'm not gonna lie, this has been an absolute nightmare. It's coming apart real nice, but for some reason with vinyl around the letters, it just snaps off every time, and it's just the most frustrating thing ever. Then you gotta find a new edge and then start pulling from there, just for it to snap off again in 3 mil, but whatever.
A few inches later.
It's been like an hour and a half, and we're almost got this single door done. Well, 2 hours fucking later, we finally got like 99% of the door done. Those other little pieces, they can fucking stay on there for now. Everything should be a lot nicer once I clean it, but yeah, this was an absolute nightmare. Maybe just because the film that we used was a little bit cheaper and shittier or something, or it's been on there, it's cooked. It's been on there for like 4 or 5 years, which could also be the issue as well. Now we're gonna start on this little back part and then the stars, which praying that isn't as bad as the front door because my fingers hurt.
My fingers hurt.
We're like 20 minutes into this side, and it is almost done already. I'm probably gonna leave the stars on for now just because like I said, my fucking fingers hurt, man. So yeah, almost done, and then I'm just doing this side for now because my back hurts.
I broke my back.
My legs hurt from crouching. And yeah, I'm kind of over this whole vinyl thing. I don't really ever want to do it again unless it's like some super high quality thick stuff. Because I've never had this issue with vinyl before. It's always come off in bits, in like one single chunk or very big chunks. But like I said before, this might just because this is older. It has been on the car for a while, so, and has cooked and froze and went through various temperature changes for winters and summers, and sitting outside for winters too. So that could be it, man. It could be all sorts of things. 3 hours later, we finally got it all, the one side, like 99.9% done. There's just a few little stragglers ticking around there that gotta be peeled off still, but I did miss the clean, just all white look, nothing on the side. And it's been a hot minute since I've had that look, so and I would start the other side, but my battery on my heat gun last light, so we're going to save this for the next weekend, unfortunately, which I'm hoping if it is warmer outside, I can just leave it outside and like it should come off easier, but we'll see how that goes. I will include like a little time lapse of me taking off the windshield banner in the little credit thing that I'm gonna do. But yeah, if you have any ideas of what I should do for a livery, if I should just leave it clean or if I should do something else, let me know. I probably will be running another window banner at least, just because they are easy to take off for the most part, and they do kind of add a little bit of a clean look and a little bit of a sun visor. But yeah, if you have any ideas or comments of what you think I should do to this thing this summer besides fix it, yeah, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. It was gonna be nicer outside until it snowed like 6 inches again the other day. So we got a little bit more waiting to do before we can do some of the actual car stuff. But yeah, some stuff's coming down the pipeline.